Good morning, I'm Michelle Rook. Clinton is on vacation. Farmers got a gift with a Christmas and year-end rally in the grains. But the biggest moves came in the soybean complex on an Argentina weather rally tied to La Nina. Soybean meal was the leader with gains of 20% for 2022. Soybean oil was up 13%, while soybeans gained 14% or $1.85 for the year. Soybean prices saw a correction on the first trading session of the new year, in part due to some showers over the holiday weekend in Argentina. But the March contract still posted the highest year-end close on record and started the new year hitting some record highs as well. Many of the other soybean contracts did the same, including the November 2023 new crop futures contract.
Well, what's interesting is we look at it two ways. We'll take the January 1 price and we'll look at normal weather years. And normally you get about a 10% rally above the January price, which would project this year up to about $16.86. And that'd be about as high as we could expect the market. And then for it to move lower. But if we isolate that to dry years where we have a weather adversity, whether that be in South America or here, you can get about a 30% further rally, which would put us up over $19.
The year-end rally in soybeans and soy products was pushed by strong demand for exports, but especially soybean processing with record high crush margins, plus the recent heat and dryness in Argentina, which has cut crop prospects for the #1 soybean meal market in the world. Ag meteorologist John Baranek says that La Nina has continued to linger for the third year in a row in Argentina.
La Nina typically leads to drier and hotter conditions across Argentina and southern Brazil. It actually didn't materialize so much in southern Brazil this year, which was kind of interesting. But it's not over yet. So we've had some very dry conditions in Argentina.
He says La Nina is easing, but it may not happen soon enough to stop the deterioration in the Argentina crops.
The process takes a couple of months. Models kind of say anywhere from January to March for that kind of time frame to complete itself. And that will have some impacts going forward too. So the quicker it ends, the quicker we get into a pattern where we're not driven by La Nina anymore.
The Buenos Aires Grain Exchange rates only 10% of the soybean crop in Argentina as good to excellent, with corn only 15% good to excellent. Production estimates have been dropping in Argentina, with a notable agronomist recently lowering the soybean crop to 43 million metric tons.